In this episode of Sailing Dark Angel, we try to find the caves at Rocky Dundas and destroy our new GoPro 8. We discover a whole beach of healthy, immature conch, and Dave draws blood. We try snorkeling with way too much current, and we go on a beautiful but very shallow sunset cruise aboard Imp. If you like our videos, please smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. It's free for you and really helps our channel.
GoPro 8 test.
Test, 1, 2, 3, test. Is it good?
So Dave's voting to go under the water. I see it as a little bit choppy. I don't know. What do you think?
I think we should go check it out.
Yeah?
I don't know where the people are from that dinghy.
They're probably dead.
Maybe. That other boat left. The other boat was a super yacht tender. We know that they're privileged when it comes to living. So. That's a joke. Let's put on some swim gear and dive in. We're only going to have one camera because one of our camera handles, our floating handles, was messed up, and all the time I took to fix it, I didn't bother to put a battery in the camera.
Dumbass.
I am new here. There's the cave.
Really rough.
I'm gonna go have a look. I assume there's more caves than just one, but I don't know where they are. There's a lot of current.
Really, a lot of fish and stuff out here to even look at.
Yeah, it's beautiful coral garden out here. But it says caves, and we only found one, but we haven't gone very far. It's pretty rough. On a less happy note, our GoPro 8 took on water. This battery was wet when I took it out, and it was acting up. I've rinsed it with fresh water. Here's the card from our dive at Rocky Dundas. Let's hope that card's not wrecked.
If it is, we have to go back tomorrow.
Correct. So somehow this took on water. It didn't seal properly. Let's hope it's okay.
So with this beautiful blue water, what I want to do is I want to go swimming. But how I test if I can actually go swimming or not is I throw this heavy ass dock line out the back to see how heavy the current is. To see if I can actually go swimming without too much issue. So let's find out. And that, my friends, is a no. I am not doing that, because if I try to swim that, I go out there if I don't hold on to that line.
So hold on to the line.
There's no swimming, there's just holding on. There's no such thing as swimming. Look at that.
But that'd still be fun.
No, it's straight out. I can't swim that. So today in Pipe Creek, today's the day. We're getting to go snorkeling. One of my favorite things to do here. It is why we came to Pipe Creek, because the snorkeling here is phenomenal. The amount of sea life, plant life, underwater plant life is amazing. And we're getting to go. I'm excited. How about you, Captain Dave?
Oh yeah, I'm just beside myself. See,
Yeah.
There's two of me here. At Allen's Key, we found what looked like a burial ground for fully aged out conch. Here, there's a whole bunch of very, very young, very small conch. A very healthy little place for them to grow, apparently. It's shallow, it's grassy. I guess predators can't really get in here. But I do see one washed up on shore. I wonder if I should put that back out in the water. No, you're good. There you go, buddy. There's a lot of current.
Might not be the right time to do this.
No kidding.
I don't know. I'm exhausted already. That was a lot of current. That was scary.
So why do we wear foot protection when we go ashore? A few minutes ago when I went and rescued that little conch out of the sand and walked him back out into the water, I stepped on a rock. And I knew I bruised my foot. What I didn't know was that I slashed my foot. It's a bit of a puncture and a bit of a bruise and a bit of a slash, and it's really hard to keep a bandage on that spot. Cleaned it in the salt water a little bit, but I'm gonna put some polysporin on it when I can stay off of it for a bit, which is gonna be later.
Sometimes Captain Dave can be so magoo.
Peanut gallery over there. What are we doing today, Lisa?
We're going out there. And this time, hopefully, we'll really actually get to snorkel. We haven't snorkeled it yet.
It's that way.
It's actually up there. We've been down here a
You
lot.
can't see it from there, but
you gotta
this is
go up
where
there.
we're going, and it's not over there. It's not over there. It's over here. It's over there.
So you know what I want to talk about? Hey, I want to talk about this. Dave, remember he was talking about stepping on that conch? Well,
I didn't step on a conch. I stepped on a rock rescuing a conch.
oh, rescuing a conch. Well, no good deed goes unpunished. And prime example is Dave has, it looks like an infection started and it's kind of went up the vein, which means blood poisoning.
Not
Possibly.
dead yet.
But we're not dead yet, but we're really, really working at it hard. You know? So
I'm gonna go clean it out in salt water. Let's go dive.
we need to go snorkeling.
I tried bandaging it. Band-aids won't stay on. Don't want to hear it.
Yeah. I don't know. I think I should just shoot him and put him out of his misery. Captain Dave was nice enough to take me out on a sunset cruise.
So want to go for a little cruise?
Yes, please.
All right.
All right, let's go.
Check this out over here. Look at that sunset.
Wow.
There is so much current here. Taking it out of gear. Let's see what it does.
Let's just ride. We're not going anywhere.
We're just spinning around. Well, that island's for sale for 22 acres. What do you think? You want to chip in with us and go in on this island? The sunset's gone behind the trees. And the water
It's very, very super shallow.
is too shallow for the motor.
So we're just drifting.
But we're still floating.
We're
Look
all floating
at the
in
color on the water from the sunset.
the pink. It's pretty cool. Just drifting. We just drift.
Welcome to Bahamas. This is what you do.
It's been a day.
Yeah, the PC that I make my videos on has, I think the power supply is dead. So we're back to my old laptop. And I
Might
think
not crush it so bad because we did corporate work on that.
Yeah, I built that big PC for doing corporate video, and that's way more complex than YouTube video. So hopefully we can actually keep producing video. I think the reason it went is because we're having real problems with our batteries. They're not charging properly. I don't think our charger's working unless there's shore power. So, gotta look into that. We are this far from shore in any direction. The water is as shallow as it looks. And we are just drifting along.
We're doing a pretty good job of drifting.
Yeah, we're making good time. I don't know where we're going, but not making as good a time as when you got a 20-horse motor down. Beats the hell out of rowing. I predict we'll be drifted off of this by morning.
Maybe. But what we forgot to bring with us was a light. And the sun went down pretty quick, and this is really shallow in here. It's really shallow in Pipe Creek.
There's a lot of mostly no water.
Mostly. And we had to cross that in the dark. So there was times where Dave had to
I had to row it with the oars.
so
I broke out the whip.
Row your brat.
And I cracked it over his head a couple times, and I got him rowing. So he rowed us home.
I'll ride you home anytime.
No, we did some rowing. He did some rowing. I did some panicking.
There's that word again.
Panicking. The other really sucky part about that was that all the mosquitoes came out because it's dusk. So that kind of sucked. Ah, well. Okay, so you ready to go? We're going out snorkeling again.